Jai Srimannarayana. 35th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asamsayam Mahabaho Mano Durnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu Kaunteya Vairagyena cha Gruhyate. Om. Generate a feeling of affection and attachment in your mind towards yourself, that is Atma Tattva, by remembering the great qualities and eternality of the Atma Tattva every day, constantly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall start generating a feeling of attachment and affection in my mind towards myself, that is Atma Tattva, by remembering the great qualities and the eternality of myself, that is Atma Tattva. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th Skandham, 7th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, those who are interested in listening to Sri Krishna Paramatma's stories, those who are narrating those stories, those who are listening to those stories, those who are asking for those stories, everyone will be sanctified by those stories itself. For Raja, once upon a time, Bhudevi, when she was unable to take adharmam anymore, Akranta Bhuribharena Brahmanam Saranam Yayau. she went to Chaturmukha Brahma. She has taken a form, Gauhu Bhutva Asrumukhi Khinna Krandanti Karunam Vibhoh Bharamagajalaka Bhumi Gorupayai Brahmacheraboyi Kanniru Munniruga Rodanamuseya. So to get rid of that heavy weight of adharmam upon Bhumi, Bhudevi has assumed a form of cow and went to Chaturmukha Brahma. While moving to tears and while crying, she told everything to Chaturmukha Brahma. After listening to Bhudevi, Chaturmukha Brahma, along with Satri Nayanaha Jagama, along with Paramasiva and all other devatas, and taking Bhudevi, they all went to Ksheerasagaram, where Paramatma is there. Tatra Gatva Jagannadham Devadevam Rushakapim Purusham Purushasuktena Upataste Samahitaha. They all went and prayed Srimannarayana with Purusha Suktam. They all prayed Srimannarayana, who is the one fulfills all abhishtas, wishes of everyone, and the one who removes all the troubles of everyone. To such Paramatma, such Srimannarayana, all these devatas are praying with Purusha Sukta chanting. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 35th sloka. Asamsayam Mahabaho Manodurnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu kaunteya Vairagyena cha gruhyate. Asamsayam Mahabaho Manodurnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu kaunteya Vairagyena cha gruhyate. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.